The dark side of the plate. How social media and influencers are undermining food sustainability. Insights from a non-influencer. Because who needs another one? The digital age, where anyone with a smartphone thinks they're the next Julia Child or Michael Pollan. Sure, social media has its perks. It's democratized information and connected us in ways we never thought possible. But let's not kid ourselves. It's also turned us into a society of oversharers and underthinkers, especially regarding food sustainability. The food waste epidemic. The virality factor. Who wouldn't want to stack 20 burgers high just for the gram? But let's get real. This trend is turning us into a generation of wasteful Epicureans. We're tossing out food like it's going out of style, all for the sake of likes and follows. And it's not just me saying this. According to the Waste and Resources Action Program, WRAP, social media contributes to a staggering 9.5 million tons of food wasted annually in the UK alone. Globally, the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, says 1/3 of all food produced ends up in the trash. But hey, at least the garbage bins are eating well, right? The biodiversity crisis, the avocado effect. The avocado, nature's butter, the influencer's dream. But this green gold is wreaking havoc on biodiversity. It's not just avocados, it's quinoa, kale, and whatever else is the superfood of the week. These trends are turning our farmlands into ecological nightmares. The monoculture menace. Monoculture farming is like that guy at the party who only talks about himself. Boring and destructive. It sucks the life out of the soil and makes our ecosystems more vulnerable to pests and climate change. But sure, let's keep making those avocado toasts. Health risks. The detox delusion. Detox teas and shakes. The snake oil of the 21st century. Influencers peddle these products like they're the elixir of life, but all they're doing is contributing to a culture of misinformation and, quite frankly, making your bathroom trips more frequent. The fad diet phenomenon. Keto, paleo, vegan, pick your poison. These diets might have their merits, but let's not pretend they're one-size-fits-all miracles. And please, consult a doctor before you turn your diet into a hashtag. Impact on global food cultures. Cultural appropriation. The fusion food trend, where we take a traditional dish, throw a fried egg on it, and call it innovation. This isn't just culinary creativity, it's cultural appropriation on a plate. The loss of authenticity. Instagram has turned us into culinary imperialists. We're so obsessed with making food pretty that we're losing the essence of what makes each dish unique. But hey, as long as it gets the likes, who cares about authenticity? So there you have it. Social media and influencers might revolutionize how we share and consume information. But let's remember the cost. It's high time we use these platforms for something more meaningful than just another pretty plate. Wouldn't you agree?